Good morning, students. Hoping you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss that is the dark phase of this photosynthesis. This dark phase of photosynthesis, it is also known as biosynthetic phase. Also known as biosynthetic phase. It is also known as photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. Carbon reduction cycle, which is, अगर हम इसको abbreviated form में लिखेंगे, it is called as PCR, photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. It is also called as Calvin cycle. So the same dark phase जो photosynthesis का है, it can be called by different names. It can be called as the biosynthetic phase, it can be called as the photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle, or we can simply call it as a PCR, and it can be called as the Calvin cycle. Now, in the light reaction of photosynthesis, light reaction में हमने क्या देखा? There is the production of reducing power, and that reducing power reduces NADP, and there also is the production of ATP. In light reaction, what we have seen, that light reaction, it results in the production of the reducing power NADP. In the light reaction, there results in the production of the reducing power, which results, there is a production of reducing power which reduces NADP. That reducing power reduces NADP and in the production of the ATP. Now, in the dark reaction, these agents are used to reduce carbon dioxide. So, in the light reaction, what we will see, light reactions, they result in the production of the reducing power, which reduces NADP, and in the result, and in the production of ATP. While as in the dark reactions, what we will see, these agents are used to reduce this carbon dioxide. Now, it has been found, what we'll see, what it has been found until the discoveries, until the discovery of radioactive carbon. Radioactive carbon, जो मैंने हम इस्तेमाल कर C14, C714, until the discovery of radioactive carbon, the pathways, the intermediates of synthesis of sugars could only be guessed at. उनको हम simply guess कर सकते थे कि that the sugars or what are the intermediate products which are produced, they can be only guessed until the discovery of this radioactive carbon. When what we say Calvin, why it has been called as the Calvin cycle, when Calvin and his associates, Calvin et al., they supplied carbon dioxide C7C14 to the suspensions of alga, and he used the alga chlorella. When Calvin and his associates, Calvin et al., what did they do when they supplied this radioactive carbon dioxide to suspensions of alga? What was the alga? That was the chlorella. They found that the major initial product of photosynthesis was the 3-carbon compound which is called as the PGA, or we can simply call it as the phosphoglyceric acid. So until the discovery of this radioactive carbon, जब हमने क्या देखा, जो पाथवेज था, जो पाथवेज हम देखेंगे किसके लिए, pathways of synthesis of sugar से अगर हम देखेंगे what are the intermediate products which are produced, they could only be guessed. ये पूरा हमको पता नहीं था, लेकिन कैल्विन और उसके साथ जो बाकी साथी थे, what did they do? They supplied this isotopic carbon dioxide to suspensions of alga chlorella, and they found that the major initial product of photosynthesis was 3 carbon compound, which is called as phosphoglyceric acid or PGA. So this was what did he did, why it is called what this Kelvin has done. Now there are various steps which take part in this, what we call as the dark phase. What are these 3 different phases? Yeah, what are the various what we'll see, there are the various phases of this dark phase What are those phases? Let us try to discuss. This whole process of this phenomena of this what we call as this Kelvin cycle, it can be studied under 3 different headings. What are those 3 different stages? Rather, they are carboxylation, it is the first. Second one is the reduction, and third one जो हमारे पास है, that is regeneration. These are the 3 main stages of this Kelvin cycle, or we can say this dark phase. Now let us study one by one. Let us first try to discuss carboxylation. What happens in this carboxylation? We will discuss that. The first step in the carboxylation of RUBP. What is the full form of this RUBP? It is ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. Ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. So the first step in carboxylation is the first step जो हम देखते हैं is the carboxylation of किसका, RUBP by atmospheric carbon dioxide in the presence of the enzyme. In the presence of the enzyme RUBP carboxylase, or it is simply called as Rubisco. So the first step is the carboxylation of, the first step जो है is the carboxylation of ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, or simply we called it as a RUBP, by this atmospheric carbon dioxide in presence of the enzyme RUBP carboxylase, or we can simply call it as the Rubisco. 6 molecules of, this is the 5 carbon compound. Now 6 molecules of this RUBP comes in contact with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide to form these 6 molecules of RuBP, they come in contact with the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide to form 6 molecules of 6 molecules of 6 carbon unstable compound, and this 6 carbon unstable compound is converted into 12 molecules of PGA, which is a 3 carbon compound, which is a 3 carbon compound. What is the full form of PGA? It is phosphoglycerolic acid. This is phosphoglyceric acid. So what happens in the carboxylation? The first step is the carboxylation of ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, जो है by atmospheric carbon dioxide in presence of the enzyme RuBP carboxylase or Rubisco. So what happened there? 6 molecules of this RuBP, when they come in contact with the 6 molecules of what we call as the carbon dioxide to form the 6 molecules of 6 carbon unstable compound, which in turn is converted into 12 molecules of a 3 carbon compound, which is PGA or phosphoglyceric acid, with the help of an enzyme. What is the enzyme here? That is called as carboxydimutase. Now this, अगर हम इस रुबिस्को की बात करें, you will see this in presence of this carboxydimutase. This is the first. So in the first step, what happened is carboxylation. The first step जो carboxylation में हम देखते हैं, the first step is the carboxylation of the ribulose 1,5-biphosphate by atmospheric carbon dioxide in presence of the enzyme RuBP carboxylase, or we can simply call as the Rubisco. What happened in this whole reaction? 6 molecules of RuBP comes in contact with the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, and it gets converted into the, what we will see, to form the 6 molecules of 6 carbon unstable compound, which in turn is converted into the 12 molecules of 3 carbon compound, which is phosphoglyceric acid, or simply called as the PGA, in presence of the enzyme carboxydimutase. So this was the first step of the carboxylation. In the next video, we will proceed further. That is the reduction step, and second one is the regeneration of the RuBP. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.